Hi, I'm Liberty from Before and Afters. Last year I made this star wreath by recycling an old Christmas tree. You can find that project on my blog. I can't remember where I got the garland from, but I got the foam stars and the glitter stars both from yard sales, and I paid 50 cents for all that you see here. If you are going for a minimalist look, you could stop right here. This wreath looks great already. I think the large foil stars are so cheerful looking. This part was so easy to do, and really the whole wreath was super easy. It didn't take any time at all to do. I'm looking forward to using the leftover stars on other projects. If you can't find glitter stars just like these, then use whatever you can find. I used different sized stars, using the small ones first and then putting the large ones on last. I don't like using hot glue in case I want to redo the wreath later. For instance, if it fades in the sun. So you can use hot glue if you want. I just didn't want to. I hope you like this star wreath as much as I do. It only cost me about $1, and that's one of the reasons I like it so much. Thank you for watching.